So starting with the first section up here, we are writing each one as an algebraic expression. So we'll start with this one, the quotient of 14 and 7. So quotient, you should know, means to divide. So you can write this one either 14 divided by 7 or 14 over 7. Next one, number 4, half of 14. So there's a couple ways to do this where you can write 1/2 of 14, or you can put 14 over 2. Number 6, the product of x and 7. So you should know product means multiply. A couple ways to write this one. You can do 7 times x like that. You can use parentheses as well. Either way is fine. Next one, 6 squared. That would just be 6 to the power of 2, 6 squared. Next one, number 10, the product of 8 and 12. So you're finding the product of those two numbers, so that would mean to multiply. So it would be 8. You can do parentheses if you want for one of them, or you can just put the multiplication symbol or the dot there that we've been using for multiplication. Next one, n cubed. Cubed is like a cube. It would be to the power of 3. N cubed. That's all. Hey, now we're going to do these. These are writing these as verbal expressions, so with words. So if you were to tell somebody what this was showing, what would you tell them? So there's a couple of different ways to write this one. I could write this first one, number 14, the sum of A and 9. You can also do 9 more than A or A plus 9. Next one, number 16, there's 5n, so you can write the product of 5 and n. Or you could just write 5 times n. Next, number 18. Number 18, 40 divided by 5. So just write it as you would say it to somebody. 40 divided by 5. Next one, number 20. X plus 8. So you can say 8x plus 8 or 8 more than x. Number 22, a couple ways to write this. You can write 2 squared or 2 to the power of 2. Number 24, n times 6, or the product of n and 6. The product of n and 6. Okay, now they want us to evaluate each expression. So it gives it to us as a verbal expression. We want to translate it and then get the answer. So first one here, the product of 8 and 10. Let's first write it, and then we will solve it. So product means multiply, so 8 times 10, and that, of course, is 80. Next one, the quotient of 96 and 8. You should now know quotient. means divide. So we would do 96 divided by 8, and that would give us an answer of 12. Next one, number 30, 10 less than 17. So we have 17 first, 17 minus 10. And of course, that is 7 because it's 10 less than 17. Next one, number 32, 10 increased by 8. 10 increased by 8, or 10 plus 8, 18. Number 34, the product of 4 and 5, or 4 times 5, equaling 20. So that's how you do those questions. Make sure you review those. You should be doing the odd numbered questions on your own. I will post the answers, but make sure you pause the video and then do the odd numbered questions if you didn't already, and then only use it to check your answers. If you got it wrong, go back and find out why. So you can pause the video to check your answers. I'll just scroll down. And just pause it as needed. And if you have questions, let me know.